Choosing new countertops for a kitchen or bathroom remodel can be overwhelming. There's so many options to choose from, and how do you know that material will work best for you and your application?
There are many things homeowners should consider before they start a countertop project, whether that be an entire renovation or just replacing the countertops on their existing cabinets. We always like to start these conversations with the budget. There are many different countertop materials available, and they come in all different prices. You also want to consider the design or the theme of your room or your space before you start your project, so you can find a countertop material that goes along with it. You want to think about the wear and tear of that the countertop is going to receive. Not all countertops are as durable as others. Some are more susceptible to scratching and chipping, like marbles, and some are stronger, like quartzes. You also want to think about heat sensitivity on countertops and also their stain resistance. All these factors go into picking the correct material.
With over 30 years in the business, Alps Craftsman has fabricated thousands of custom countertops for both single-family and multi-unit buildings. Their team of skilled professionals can help you choose the right material for your lifestyle.
Alps Craftsman is a family-owned and operated company that has been in business since 1991. Our over 30 years in the industry has allowed us to become experts at what we do. We're a unique fabricator in the sense that our many years in experience and the experts that we have working here allow us to provide outcomes, services, and benefits that far exceed many of our competitors. Using pictures for design purposes is great so that they inspire different ideas and different looks that the homeowner wants to achieve in their home. But they also cause problems in the design process because a picture doesn't show all the details that are related to countertops. They're often taken further away, and they could also be edited. And we've known that sometimes seams are removed to make a more long look without any seams on it, a more consistent look, and that's not the case with countertops. So certain design elements such as mitered edges or waterfall panels where customers are expecting to see nice flowy designs that go from the countertop down that panel is not always the case, because there are certain realities that go along with countertop fabrication that just can't be hidden as they do in pictures. And that's why it's very important to work with a qualified fabricator such as us here at Alps Craftsman, because we have a design center and a design team that can work with homeowners to go through, to take the pictures, explain the realities and the nuances of them, and make sure customers' expectations are met up front and they're not disappointed when the countertops are installed. Our experience has shown that building physical templates in a customer's home yields better outcomes for them, because we can actually have discussions around using something physical versus it just being done on a machine. We build these templates on the customer's cabinets, and then they can make tiny adjustments to them, like extending or minimizing an overhang to their liking while we're at their home doing the appointment. Then when they come to our design center for their design appointment, we're able to take these templates and hold them up to slabs and move them around so that we can either maximize the yield on the slab to save money, or we can incorporate certain elements of that slab into the homeowner's countertops in certain locations to their liking. So while many companies do digital templating or have a bunch of machines, we like to do things by hand because our experience shows it yields better outcomes for the homeowners in the end. It is critical for homeowners to work with qualified fabricators because they're making an investment in their home. They're taking their hard-earned money and they're buying a product, and they don't want it to fail. There are certain industry guidelines out there that must be followed, but working with a professional organization such as Alps Craftsman makes it so that homeowners will always get the best outcome possible and will always be able to use manufacturer warranty with quartz and other man-made products.
Whether you're looking for a new granite kitchen island or a beautiful stone bathroom vanity, Alps Craftsman can help. Visit their website, alpscraftsman.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.